In a world where man's fate lies in just one turn.
What is up, y'all? White the Boss is back with another tutorial, or your first tutorial on how to do a 2x2. And this is going to be fun because this is how I learned. Okay, so the first step we need to do is scramble the cube. But if your cube is already scrambled, you've accomplished a step. Okay, so first step is, the real first step or second step is find a random corner that has white on it. So I'm going to choose this one. See how it has white, or orange, green. Remember those. Then look at all the other corners that have a white on it but has a orange or green. Then I found a white corner right here that has green. So then you move that corner by turning the top layer over to where it needs to go. Then you do this algorithm. I call it the right algorithm. Up, side, down, side, up, side, down, side, up, side, down. It's upside down side. I call it the righty algorithm because you do it with your right hand. Okay, so now we'll do the same thing. So this corner is blue, orange, but we don't need to worry about orange because it's already done. So blue right here. Blue's right here. So then I'm able, because the white is facing directly towards us or directly toward you, you're able just to push it down. That's in the spot. But don't do that on the final piece that you need to put in. Then it's just the final piece, then just do the thing that you push over to the correct spot. Then you do the right algorithm. Upside down side. But depends on where it's facing, it's going to take longer. Okay. So now we're solving the corners. So then we're able to solve the top half. Okay, so how you do that is you find corners that are corresponding with the colors. Like, see how none of that right there is red. Right here is red. That right here is green. That right there is green. So then that's in the correct spot, but that is the only one in the correct spot. And that follows a rule that we do that you have to follow. It's called one or none. That means one has to be in the correct spot, or if there's more than two, more than one, you just push the entire top to the side. Then you do this algorithm: up, side, down, side, down, side. And that should solve your cube. Put all the layers in the top. But just in case if it's not, check again. So blue, blue, red, red. So that would be right there. But blue, blue, orange, orange. Well, that's green, green, red, red, not red, red, not orange, orange. Okay, so that's in the wrong spot. So you just turn the top half once. So now that one's in the correct spot, and that's the only one in the correct spot. So then you do the up, side, down, side, side. I'm thinking of calling it the fence algorithm. Okay, so now what we're going to do is solve the final layer. That means how we do that is we flip over the top of the cube. And when you do that, make sure not to turn the entire cube. Okay, so turn the top of the cube like that and do upside down side, 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 with any corresponding color on with your right hand, but it looks weird when I'm doing it because it's recording me, just like those weird supermarket stuff doing when you do it. Okay, so now I am finished. And that's what a solved cube looks like. When you just solved it, it looks even better when you take it out of the package. Yeah. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share so then I'm able to get more screen time. And ring the bell so you're able to know when I have new videos. And what the boss cuber is out.
We wanted everything, wanted everything, wanted everything. Mama said, burn your biographies, rewrite your history, light up your wildest dreams, museum victories. Every day we wanted everything, wanted everything. Mama said.